My people, have you seen this picture of this man, a lawyer for that matter, appearing in court with native doctor attire? Well, let me gist you. Let me tell you the full story now. From his name, you will know say the man, na strong man. His name is Malcolm Omokinovo, Omirovo. Chief Malcolm. So the man appeared in court with native doctor attire because Supreme Court gave a judgment that everybody is entitled to appear in public places with their religious attire. You know, they gave the judgment that people should be allowed to go to school with their Ahjab, Muslim Ahjab. So he said that he's a traditionalist. So he has been missing all along to appear in court with his traditional attire, which is native doctor attire. So that's why he appeared in court with native doctor attire. And I don't blame him. So everybody should now, so people should get ready to see so many things. This country is cruise. I beg, may you hear the man talk. I don't want to talk, but what do you think about this thing? What do you think about the judgment, about the freedom of wearing whatever you believe in to the public places? Very soon now, guys will start, dressing like women publicly. Yes, now gays, all gays, they will be free to dress like women and come out. So, what do you think? Let me not talk much. What do you think?
Sir, can you tell your name, sir?
I am Chief Malcolm Emokinyovo Omirobo.
So where are you in Supreme Court this morning?
I'm in Supreme Court this morning, like every other lawyer, to appear as an amicus in Korea and to observe proceedings, which I just did, and I had a nice time in the court before my lords. Yes.
What informed this?
Nothing informed it. The truth of the matter is this, I'm a traditionalist, and I've been missing all along until the Supreme Court gave the judgment on Friday that people cannot appear in their religious attires of worship in their place of school and public school for that matter. So in this circumstance, I just interpreted everything and said, yes, they have done the right thing by giving us, helping us guaranteeing more our rights under Section 38 of the Constitution that gives us, every Nigerian citizen, the freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. That we are free to from that decision that female students can wear hijab because it is the mood of their worship, and any attempt to stop them from wearing it amounts to a violation of their fundamental right. And applying it, I said, okay, it's good. So I said, okay, I need to also be appearing on my religious attire of worship. So because it's good, it's good for man to be with God all the time. So this is my mood henceforth, and my children will go to school like this. I will encourage my relations, my friends, so that we can, those in the army, those in the police, those in the navy, those in doctors, lawyers, they will dress in their mood of this. I'm very grateful to the Supreme Court. I'm very happy about the decision. This thing has been going on for some time. In the case of the provost of Kwara State Polytechnic, Kwara State College of the provost of Kwara State College of Education versus Basirat, the court was very clear that the students should wear their hijab, the female students, and they should not be stopped or prevented, because to do so will amount to a violation of their right to freedom of religion, dignity to their person, and also discrimination. Just Friday here, the Supreme Court also gave a decision like that. So you see, the foundation for this is is well spelled out. There are other cases. You have Abdul Karim versus Lagos State, where the court held similar decision. So if that can be done to female students to wear hijab, you can apply it to every other religion. Because to stop me from dressing like this will amount to a violation of my right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion, and also it will be a violation of. I mean, it will be discriminatory, and therefore unconstitutional. And that's why I felt confident of coming to the Supreme Court, and I came. I went there and I sat before my lords, and they were pleased with my appearance until they have to reconstitute. So that's just it. There's no big issue about it. It's all about freedom of worship.